Hey guys, Tim Thomas here. Hey guys, before we get started, guys, go ahead and like the video. Smash that like button. Hit the notification bell. And when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And guys, let me ask you, are you subscribed to the channel to get updates, guys? So when I upload those videos, you will be informed of the latest work at home opportunities. Guys, we deal with nothing but the best. Folks, let me tell you what, we're at the beginning of a multi-year run unlike we've ever seen in our lives. Work at home has never been this good. Work at home is literally exploding, folks. It's exciting to see the things that we've got going on, the programs, the opportunities. And folks, what we want to deal with is multiple streams of income. That's where you want to be. You want to be dealing with multiple streams of income. And that's where it's at. Now, if you are in one or two programs, guys, you may consider 3 or 4 or 5. However, how many you can handle, guys, and be faithful to the ones that you're in. And that's what's exciting. The multiple streams of income, guys, can literally explode your income for the rest of your life. And I'm talking about opportunities, guys, that you can begin to grow, and you can grow them exponentially. And they're set and forget. Today, we're going to talk about some passive income ideas, opportunities that you can market, set and forget. And that, my friends, is powerful. We're going to review a couple of programs today that are absolutely going to be beacons of hope here in the next few years and some years to come. Folks, like I said, we're getting ready to go on a 10, 15, 20-year run in these work at home programs unlike we've never seen in our lives. People are discovering that they can work from home unlike never before. They can earn a full-time income. Folks, sometimes in a one day, I can make what took me all week to make. Sometimes in one day, 1 week, I can make what it took me all month to make. Folks, this is exciting. The first program that I'm leading off with is the Prosperity People System. Guys, this is the postcard. What you're looking at, this is the postcard, the stack of postcards. Guys, this is an income generating miracle. Is it possible to make anywhere from $0 to $10,000 per month? Folks, I'm living proof. I've got documented proof that we do it over and over and over again. If you can mail that postcard, guys, you can win. Imagine how much money you can make a month mailing this simple postcard. Folks, look at this. That's the front side of the postcard for the Prosperity People System. And this is the back side. Pause the video, guys. Dial that phone number when you're ready to go. It says mail these postcards. And folks, it's almost scary how effective they are and how simple it is. This phone number can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days per week. And folks, it is absolutely powerful. Go to that website, guys. We have a training call every Tuesday and Thursday. We have a live conference call Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And folks, that's powerful. Look at that postcard here, guys. Look at that. This is how I get this. Look, April fixed these postcards for me at Ace Print and Mail. Shameless plug for Ace Print and Mail. Folks, if you want your printing needs, call these people here. Need some postcards printed? There you go. There's the information to get beautiful postcards. You don't have to make them, guys. They'll send them to your house. That is powerful. Now, guys, look at this. The product, we have products and services with the Prosperity People System. They're downloadable digital educational products, and they are powerful. Folks, this is postcard. When you get involved with these systems, guys, you can get postcards that look like this for the instant cash solution. You can get a postcard that looks just like that. You think that'll get people excited? Wow. Guys, the next video I'll uncover it so you can see the actual website and go to that website. Guys, look at this. Look at these postcards here. These postcards are life-changing. This is what we call the Millionaire Mailer Postcard System. This is the front side of the postcard. This is the back side. When people look at that postcard, guys, they're gonna get excited. They're gonna call this number. And then they're gonna make an informed decision to get involved with the program. Folks, look at the levels of participation. The Millionaire Mailer Postcard System, folks, we have many levels. We have the 25, 50, 100, 250, 500, $1,000 level. And yes, guys, when you come in at a higher level, you're going to automatically receive the other levels. Folks, these postcards are literally on fire. Look at that, the Millionaire Mailer Postcard System. Look at the Millionaire Mailer Postcard System number 3. Make $500 a day mailing this cheap little postcard. Go from $0 to $500 a day mailing cheap little postcards. Guys, this program has stood the test of time. We have a conference call every Tuesday night. And folks, that thing is powerful. People line up and sign up into these programs. Here's the conference call playback number. Pause the video. Get that playback number, write it down. Now let's go into briefly how the program works when you get involved. Let's go into it. Make $1,000 a day mailing cheap little postcards. Go from $0 to $1,000 a day mailing cheap little postcards just by following a few instructions. And it says this works like crazy. How to get started, guys, you're going to make a copy of this side, and then where the name label will be right there. Make a copy, mail to each participant. And folks, upon confirmation, you're going to receive products. Look at this, guys. You will receive products. Any program that I promote has products involved. You're going to get products, guys. And in the products is going to be a marketing kit, buyer leads on pill and stick labels, a mail report, complete instructions, camera-rated copy of the flyer. Guys, that is incredible. That's the products. You're going to get the labels, the mail report, complete instructions, camera-rated copies of flyers. Guys, you can win over and over again promoting this product. Look at this, guys. The Millionaire Mailer 3, you're going to receive $100 override commissions in this program. Gosh, knows, guys, this is exciting to me. And look at this. This one will give you $250 commissions over and over and over again to your house. Guys, do you want that? Do you want commissions? Guys, this is better than trading Forex. Might get some thumbs down, guys. Forex trading is okay, guys. It's okay if you want to do Forex trading, but guys, with Forex trading, guys, you created yourself another job. Looking at charts all day, staring, not sure if it's going to go up, down, sideways, or whatever. Guys, this right here, do it a little bit, set it and forget it. Folks, these systems are powerful. They are working, and we're off to the races. We are absolutely off to the races. Guys, look at that. There's another one of our systems. Guys, this is direct mail done right. When you start mailing these postcards, you can create financial freedom. Guys, you don't have to worry about recruiting people. Well, I'm not a recruiting person. I don't know how to. Guys, can you mail a postcard? That postcard will do the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This is passive income done right. I am so stoked. I want to welcome all the new members that have joined the programs this week. And guys, we're in for something big. Guys, it's go time. All the way through Christmas of this year, it's go time. We're gonna win every day. I'm gonna show you how to win. I'm gonna lock arms with you. We're gonna march in together. We're gonna go to financial freedom. You want to go to Applebee's, guys? You can go order what you will. We're not worried about the price because, guys, we've got plenty of passive income to support us. Guys, this is exciting. I'm being a little facetious, guys, but what I'm saying, create the lifestyle that you deserve. Go to the mall. Buy everything that you want to buy within reason and live a blessed life, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video. Hey, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Like the video. Bye for now. Until the next video.